Welcome to our channel bacareers. In this video, let us discuss about User Acceptance Testing (UAT) for business analysts. Introduction to UAT. Definition and purpose. Importance of UAT in the software development life cycle. Role of business analysts in UAT. Collaborating with stakeholders. Defining acceptance criteria. Facilitating the UAT process. Steps in conducting UAT. Planning and preparation. Creating test scenarios and test cases. Executing tests and collecting feedback. Challenges and solutions. Common challenges like unclear requirements or lack of stakeholder involvement. Best practices for effective UAT. Benefits of successful UAT. Ensuring the product meets business needs. Building stakeholder confidence. Conclusion. Recap of UAT's significance and the BS contribution. Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore user acceptance testing, or UAT, and why it's a crucial step in ensuring software aligns with business needs. UAT involves testing a system by real users to validate that it meets their expectations before going live. Business analysts play a key role in UAT, from defining clear acceptance criteria to ensuring all stakeholders are on the same page, but ensure the process is smooth and focused. They also facilitate communication between teams, making sure feedback is actionable. Conducting UAT involves several steps. Planning and preparation, identifying testers and setting timelines. Creating test scenarios and cases, work on realistic test cases based on user stories. Executing tests, stakeholders test the system, report bugs, and suggest improvements. UAT can face challenges like unclear requirements or limited stakeholder engagement. To address this, maintain clear documentation, encourage active participation, and create detailed acceptance criteria early in the project. When done right, UAT ensures the product meets business needs, minimizes post-launch issues, and builds stakeholder confidence in the final product. In conclusion, UAT is an essential phase where business analysts ensure the product is ready for deployment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.